Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram DMs or chats without deleting them in 2021. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions around the video whatsoever, make sure you comment them in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out ASAP. So what you want to do is actually go on Instagram, open up your DMs, and I can actually hide messages. For example, and I'll show you the trick. Let me show you first how you do that. You want to go over to your profile at the bottom right corner, click on the settings here, and if you have a personal account, you have an option to switch to a professional one. If you don't, click on account and you have an add a professional account right here, or switch account, and you want to have a creator account. So you should click on the option switch to creator account. And when you create the creator account, you can go on your DMs and actually do something like this. For example, I'll check, use, for example, this chat, swipe on it, click general, and it's not deleted, just switch to my general tab. So I can, at any time, I can just bring it back to my primary tab. So if this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one.